Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Ava Max, she is loving herself and we love her too. This is absolutely not your typical guitar song, and that is one reason why I love to do this. I want to show you guys that you can play pretty much whatever you like. So even if this is a dance song, not guitar friendly in that sense, you can still play it on guitar and have fun with it. We have this song called Lovin Myself, and it's a 4-chord song that just rolls in the same way through the entire song. Let's go into it. And we don't need any capo for this one. We're gonna go straight on the fretboard, learn the chords, starting with E, okay? So E goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. We have B minor next. It's a bar chord, so you place the next finger here on the second fret. You push down the 5 strings if you count from down and up like this, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 3rd B. Speaking of D, that's the next chord, so we're gonna play open D, second G, 3rd B, second E. And the final chord is A. And that goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Alright, so in that order, E, B minor, D, A, that is how it goes in the song. And you're gonna play a strumming pattern. We have 2 variations of it. I showed you both in the introduction of the tutorial. So we're gonna go with just 4 downs first. If you grab the first chord E, you're gonna play like this. So 4 downs, you want to highlight the 3rd down and play on the higher strings. So bass, bass, top, bass. Okay, so the 3rd down, you play it on the higher notes. Okay, so that is 1 strumming round. You're going to play 2 strumming rounds per chord. So E2, B minor 2, D2, A2, like this. Again. Alright, that is the first version. Now you can go into the second one and replace that 3rd down with a clap instead. So it sounds like this. So 1, 2, clap, 1. Okay, and in a context, it sounds like this. Alright guys, so you have it right there. Very easy from Ava Max, Loving Myself. Good luck with this, and play tuned.